Hi, I would like to demo how to use our HDFury GoLED app. This demo is used on Android phone, so in Google Play, just search HDFury GoLED here and install. This demo for app, our app can control 8 GoLED, and right now in our environment, each GoLED have the serial number here, so I just write down the serial number on each GoLED 07, 11, 26, and 35. So the connection for GoLED is easier. Just connect our LED with our included cable with the power cable, or use the battery, or use the external PSU for different LED strip or LED lamp. And our GoLED supports 3 types of the LED strip. It's group control, so all color is the same. Okay, and we also have the pixel control, like up have a okay. After GoLED install is starting, and GoLED app where to find out the environment have the GoLED, so you can check. They have a few come out. Okay, we can try. If you want to set up like this way, you can select the session. So as I said earlier, we have the 8 can store in our app, so we can choose the number 1. So he starting to search. Okay, he find the 4. Okay, so we want to session 1 to 07, so pick up this one. Okay, then it will read back the GoLED internal. Okay, it will automatically config by itself, depends on the LED strip. So it show up the PWM. It means this LED strip is PWM mode. Okay, and we add the next one. So we select session 2. One is the 11, so we choose the 11 is one. It's starting to read back the config. Okay, 11 still the PWM mode. Okay, we select session 3, 26. Okay, in the dark area, it means you can't to control, because we can identify different LED strip. Okay, we will show later. And select the last one. We power up. Session 4. Because the session 4 is not our last, so it will not show up the let you select. It will direct to connect in. So you can check have the 35 is BT mode. Okay. You also can set up, if you want to set a name for easy remember, it's just doing like this way. So when you can check out, so can easy to identify as you want. Okay. Refresh APs mean read back the GoLED internal setup config file. Okay, factory save or configure is after you set up the GoLED, you can click this one, and it will store current state. For next power up will read back, so you don't need to reset up again. Factory reset is come to the factory default. set LED count is for like you can set up the pixel control LED distributed quantity. So for example, our default is 240. You can set the number as you want. So we can demo like use the selection 26, this one. Okay, right now it's BT mode. We have an off mode, it means turn off. PWM, because this LED strip is not PWM, so we won't support, so we will show as you know. Also, we have the internal profile already configured, like ambient mode. So we have several profile. So when you select the ambient mode, you can check here. We have the few effect in here. So you can check this one, or wave, breeze, random color. So you can try as you want. Okay. We can back to BT mode. When you select the BT mode, you just come here, BT mode. You can use our color to select the color as you want. The brightening. Okay, great. It's easier. Or you can use the SIG bar, something like this, to define the color easier. Okay, it's BT mode you can use. UR mode is for connect to PC. We can use the PC to control our GoLED. We already have video for it. Please reference before video. Also, we have the scheduling function. If you click set schedule on, we have the 5 time set. So you can just click here to if you want to use ambient mode. Okay, you can select the timer clock here, and it will set up like you set the time scheduling. Okay, so we have the 5 for each GoLED. So after you do this, you can save. The next time you power up, it will follow your setup to doing the time control. Okay. Now we are demo for PWM mode, so we can use the 07, this one. So every time you want to control the GoLED, you must select the session, then read back. Okay. So it's PWM mode. We can change back to PWM mode. So we can use this one to change color as you want. Because it's group LED strip, so all the color will be same. Okay. We have 2 modes, so you can use the BT control or use internal profile. It's the same like the earlier demo. So you can use this one or breeze. It's very easy to use. Okay. It's RGB group control. Or we can check this one. Use the white and the yellow on the 11. This PWM mode. Color pickup. Because it's only white and yellow, so we use this one. More white or yellow. Yellow. We select back to here. We also provide the brightening control. If you feel your LED too bright, you can come to here to set the max. The max brightness is 255. You can set. Then when it's doing the brightness, you can limit the brightness. You avoid too bright. So brightness is doing this job. We also have a USB UART protocol. So this one can connect to PC as we show early video. Our LED type, we have the 3 type, okay, as 2812 format, 5 voltage or 12 voltage, and we also can control another product called Diva LED strip. We can use the GoLED to control. The last one is DMS format 512. We have a video to introduce already. Please reference. The dark mode is you can use in dark mode or normal mode. Also can find the APK version. And if we have a new update, you can use the Bluetooth to update GoLED firmware and our Bluetooth firmware update. And the left up corner can read up the version number here. So our LED connect is very easy. If group control, we have included the GoLED amp to let you easy to connection. If you use the pixel control, we have a different cable for that. So when you order, it's already included in the package. Thank you for watching.